Whoa, hold on. I'm expecting just to look back. Okay, well, SP4.
Evil 15's.
Oh, no, Evil?
Yep, SSA Evil 15's.
You can understand why I thought, you know, SP4s.
Yep.
Kind of, sort of, yeah.
No, yeah, almost identical.
But
yeah. Just a different company is all.
Ooh-wee.
Yeah, and they're on MD5K at a half home each. And I just installed the new the Dayton DSP, and it's nothing's really tuned up yet. So I got the Bluetooth on here, and I've been kind of playing with it.
It's driving you crazy a little bit? Because I plan on getting one of those. How do you like it? The Dayton?
I bought two. I have one in my daily and one in here. They're phenomenal.
And they're sold out right now. Come on, Parts Express.
Yeah, June 10th, I think.
Yeah,
back because I'm trying to hype them up to everybody.
Yes.
They're such a good buy.
Yes.
You want me to play this for you real quick?
Oh yeah, please. Man.
So like I said, everything needs to be tuned still. You know, gain match because mids and highs need to catch up. They're there. I just built these today.
Wow. Wow. Sounds great.
I used to know is let me rest in peace, you're dead to me. Got me sick to my stomach, you got the best of me. Let your text turn green, I'm used to love this.
Yeah. I mean, yeah.
I love it.
Why not? So, you know.
Thank you for calling 1-800-RUST-A-NUT Hotline, making better beats, wetter seats.
I'm icy, I'm clean, I'm icy. Kid to get rich. Listen, little bitch. Got the game in my hand like a switch. It's just me and my clique.